next participant as Mayank Malhotra ji. Mayank.
Very good evening, everybody. So, Mayank Malhotra this side. I've been working in indirect taxes since post qualification experience of last 3 years now. So, I have built a tool. Just let me share my screen once. One second. It's not letting me share. Just it's visible. So, is my screen visible now?
Yes, your screen is visible.
So I've built a tool to evaluate the recent rate changes basis the GST 2.0. So the thing which everybody has been facing now is like there has been a change in rate. So we need to evaluate what time of supply should be the case for our in our scenarios. It's just an example. Few of the companies, few of the recipients have received the payments as advances while the invoices have to be raised post the rate changes, or in case the invoices are also issued prior to the rate change, the date of payment, the receipt of payment, or the date of receipt of goods and services is after the rate changes. So I built an evaluator just to check what should be the time of supply, what rate will be applied, uh, so that there is no miss in compliances going forward. So herein we first need to select a date from the drop down. Like for example, I select the date of receipt of goods and services as 11 September. Invoice is issued on 24th of September and the payment is received on 3rd of October. We can select the HSN from the drop down. For example, there is a change in GTA forward charge. Okay. So earlier it used to be 12% and now it is 18%. We will click on evaluate time of supply and rate and the result will pop up here. So the time of supply should be 24th of September basis our given criteria. The applicable GST rate will be 18%. That is the new rate. And it also provides the explanation how it came up with this idea. Also, I have also provided these 4 test cases in case if anyone wants to evaluate without having any specific set of criteria for this. So we'll click on any of these and the changes will apply accordingly. Uh, so I built it using Claude. I have this. So basically, I built it using Claude. I used prompt engineering from ChatGPT to give the. I gave this prompt to the prompt engineer, received this as a result for the Claude, provided it to Claude, and it generated an app. However, initially I did not provide it with the notification criteria, which notification to evaluate. Then I gave the notifications. So as of now, only services have been implemented. Goods are to be implemented in future. So if you see the HSN, it is only for the services as of now. It bifurcates each and every HSN according to the head has. And going forward, we can introduce goods and goods and services both as well. So that is it from me.
Yes, if you have any question. Yes, sir. So GST rate calculator, Mayank sir, please tell me how you will be able to share this with your clients or with your team members or someone so that they'll not call Mayank bhai and ask, sir, what is new rate now
Correct.
for this HSN?
So it will be open link based app. Everybody can get the access for this.
So you're not having any plan to link it with your WhatsApp or website or anything. You're just going to give this HTML file to everybody कि अपना अपना search कर लो.
So whosoever is the client and the staff member.
Yeah,
Yeah,
obviously. Say for example, if I'm your client, Mayank sir, and I'm calling you, I'm asking you for this rate. So you're going to WhatsApp me this HTML file that go put the details and search, right?
correct.
Okay, so you have not having any plan to build it in your any WhatsApp or mail or somewhere like where you can
So it
reply the prompt queries which will solve your problem, because at any point of time I'm going to call Mayank by. What is the rate difference?
Mhm.
Then you will be able to share it with me, no? So first time I'll have to call it. Instead, is it possible to link it to WhatsApp that anybody is pinging on your WhatsApp, it will get the results automatically? Have
Correct.
you
So
tried that way?
I haven't, but the bot can be deployed in case if we need to link it with WhatsApp. A bot can be deployed. So this is just a initial app which I wanted to give it to the clients and staff.
Hmm.
Later on, the idea is to build such criteria that a person can evaluate HSN as well. So it is a very mindful thing to do as of now. Not much people can even evaluate on a single go. So
Hmm.
idea is to provide it with a simple solution and then proceed to go with a heavier solution to evaluate. That is to be done, and that thing can be deployed over WhatsApp bot or everything.
Okay. That's all. That's all from my side.
I have two queries. First is why can't this be built on Excel itself? Because if there's a change in rate, section 14 says if the service is provided before, take before of invoice and payment. If it is services after, take after of invoice and payment, whichever is later. So why can't this be done on Excel?
So therein you have to provide a complete list of goods and services HSN as well. So there won't be any particular criteria where we can select and then the result come up.
You can go for drop down box also there. You can give the details of HSN before and after. It automatically does that.
Correct.
And second query is sorry, please continue first. Continue, please.
So correct, your point is fine. Uh, the criteria I went for an app was I was trying for goods as well as of now, but since the goods HSN are very heavier in to place, that took a lot of time. So even if we go for Excel, it will take a lot of space and a lot of criteria to build in. Services can be done on a much easier scale as of now. Even Excel can do it, but for goods, it will take a lot of effort for Excel. However, app can do it in a single go. We can just upload the notifications. We can then give it a prompt to select the HSN from that notification, and then it's good to go.
Suppose you're going for HSN code here. Suppose if a same four-digit HSN code has two or three rates, then how are you going to handle it? For example, if there's a hotel service above 7,500 and less than 7,500, so how this software is going to handle it?
So that needs to be implemented. That is also planned to implement in next step. So as of now, hotel have correct. So I also went on for the hotel thing. As of now, it does not provide the different rate less than 7,500. It gives the normal first rate only. These sub HSN criteria are to be provided. It is being implemented. It is being added as of now, and then it will be good to go for that as well.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. That's from my side.